Welcome to the world of woodworking, where creativity meets craftsmanship. Whether you're a seasoned artisan or a curious beginner, this journey into woodworking promises to be both fulfilling and lucrative. Woodworking is not just about creating functional items. It's an expression of artistry and skill that can transform raw materials into beautiful, handcrafted pieces. As you explore various techniques and ideas for profitable projects, you'll discover how to merge traditional methods with modern innovations, ensuring your work resonates with a wide audience. In this video, we'll delve into timeless woodworking concepts that can lead to successful sales year-round. From mastering finishing techniques to understanding market dynamics, we aim to equip you with the knowledge and strategies needed to thrive in this rewarding craft. By emphasizing sustainability and accessibility of materials, you'll learn how to create not only appealing products, but also a conscientious brand that attracts discerning customers. Join us as we embark on this exciting woodworking adventure, unlocking the potential for creativity and profit along the way. If you're enjoying this journey into the world of woodworking, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Your support not only helps us grow, but also ensures you stay updated with the latest tips, techniques, and project ideas. We're committed to bringing you valuable insights that can enhance your woodworking skills and boost your business potential. Be sure to stick around until the end of this video, where we'll recap the key takeaways and provide additional resources that can further your journey in this fulfilling craft. Your engagement makes all the difference, and we can't wait to continue exploring the art of woodworking together. Woodworking is a craft that combines creativity and skill, making it an excellent avenue for generating profit. While trends may come and go, certain woodworking techniques and business strategies remain timeless. Understanding these can significantly enhance the potential for successful sales throughout the year. Understanding your market. To thrive in woodworking, it's essential to have a clear understanding of your target market. Researching customer preferences and buying habits can help you identify what types of projects resonate most with your audience. This insight allows you to tailor your creations to meet demand, ensuring that your products will appeal to a broad base of customers. Emphasizing quality finishing techniques. The finishing process in woodworking is crucial. High-quality finishes not only enhance the appearance of your projects, but also protect the wood, prolonging its lifespan. Techniques such as sanding, staining, and sealing can elevate a simple piece into a desirable item. Investing time in mastering these techniques can significantly increase the perceived value of your work, attracting more customers willing to pay a premium. Sustainable practices in woodworking. Sustainability is increasingly important to consumers. By sourcing materials responsibly and employing eco-friendly practices, you can appeal to environmentally conscious buyers. Using reclaimed wood or sustainable species not only helps the planet, but also sets your business apart in a competitive market. Highlighting your commitment to sustainability can foster customer loyalty and enhance your brand image. Accessibility of materials. The ease of accessing quality materials can directly impact the profitability of woodworking projects. Establishing relationships with local suppliers or exploring online options can ensure you have a steady flow of wood and finishing products. Additionally, considering alternative materials, such as composites or recycled materials, can broaden your options while keeping costs manageable. Craftsmanship and skill development. Investing in your craft is vital. Continuous learning through workshops, online courses, or mentorship can refine your skills and introduce you to new techniques. The more proficient you become, the more intricate and high-value projects you can undertake. This not only boosts your confidence, but also enhances the quality of your work, leading to higher sales. Building a brand identity. Creating a strong brand identity can set you apart in the woodworking market. Your brand should reflect your values, aesthetic, and the quality of your work. Engaging visuals, a professional website, and a consistent message across social media platforms can help establish your presence. A well-defined brand fosters trust and recognition, making customers more likely to choose your products over competitors. Effective marketing strategies. Effective marketing is essential for driving sales. Utilizing social media, email marketing, and online marketplaces can expand your reach. Sharing behind-the-scenes content, project tutorials, and customer testimonials can engage potential buyers and showcase your expertise. Understanding how to leverage these platforms can significantly enhance your visibility and attract a loyal customer base. Customer relationships and feedback. Building strong relationships with customers is crucial for long-term success. Encouraging feedback and being responsive to inquiries can foster a sense of community around your brand. This engagement not only improves customer satisfaction, but also provides valuable insights into what your audience desires, allowing you to refine your offerings accordingly. Diversifying your product line. While specializing in a particular type of woodworking can establish expertise, diversifying your product line can open new revenue streams. Offering a variety of items that cater to different tastes or needs can attract a wider audience. This flexibility allows you to pivot based on market trends or customer feedback, ensuring sustained profitability. The role of pricing strategies. Setting the right price is a balancing act. It's important to consider material costs, time invested, and perceived value. Conducting market research to understand pricing norms within your niche can help you position your products competitively. Offering occasional promotions or bundled deals can also entice customers while maintaining profitability. In conclusion, the world of woodworking offers numerous opportunities for profitable sales, provided you focus on timeless strategies. Understanding your market, mastering finishing techniques, and committing to sustainability can set a solid foundation for your business. By continuously refining your skills, building a strong brand, and engaging with customers, you can create a successful woodworking venture that stands the test of time. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your time and interest in our woodworking journey. If you found the content helpful and inspiring, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with fellow woodworking enthusiasts. Your support not only helps us create more valuable content, but also builds a community of passionate makers eager to learn and grow together. We look forward to bringing you even more tips, techniques, and project ideas in the future, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.